About this item package includes 1. MTX Terminator TNP212D2 1200 Watt 2 ohm dual 12 subwoofers/subbox/amp package. 1. NYC Acoustics NPV3 dual 430W Bluetooth boombox speaker with USB, SD, LED and remote. Features of TNP212D2, dual loaded 12 subwoofer enclosure. 212 Terminator series subwoofers included. 1200 watts peak output. 400 watts RMS 2 aluminum voice coils. Single 4 ohm voice coils per sub, pre-wired down to a 2 ohm load. Rubber surround. Polypropylene cone. MTX logo on dust cap. 48 ounces magnet frequency response, 37 to 150 Hz dual 12 sealed sub-enclosure. 5/8 MDF solid construction. Durable black carpeting. Stylish logo in carpet. Dimensions, 13.875 x 29.625 w x 13.875 d. Amp features, Terminator Series Class D mono block car amplifier. 400x1 watts peak at 2 ohms. 200x1 RMS at 2 ohms. LED power and protection indicators. Selectable bass boost, 0, 6,